Training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucid. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the LARQ bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. LARQ uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odor-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilize operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. LARQ starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. LARQ works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And LARQ is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no hydro challenge LARQ can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, LARQ is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.